Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. Okay, so far you've typed, saved and navigated and you're doing great. Now let's give your spreadsheet some style. In this lesson, you'll learn simple formatting tools that make your work look clear, neat, and professional. Let's start with fonts. Just like in Word, you can change the font style, size, and color in Excel. Select your cell. Use the toolbar, i.e. the ribbon at the top. Pick a font. Adjust your size, and now use the A icon to change your color. Need something to stand out? Use bold or italic and center if it's a title. Select header row, click B, I, and now center a line. Want to highlight important information? Use the fill color tool to shade cells. Borders help separate sections and tidy up your spreadsheet. And finally, left, center, right, aligning your text helps make everything easier to read. Now you know. You just gave your spreadsheet a makeover. These small changes make a big difference, clean, clear, and very professional. Here's a quick task to try right now. Open a blank Excel sheet. In A1, type item. In B1, type cost. Fill in 3 items and prices below. Okay, now try these. Bold your headers. Add a fill color to the header row, increase font size, and finally add borders around the table. Okay everybody, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.